I humbly request Honorable President of India, Radhakrishnan ji, to kindly light the ceremonial lamp and thus inaugurate this Punya Smarane. I also request His Excellency, the Governor of Karnataka, the revered Swamijis, and the esteemed dignitaries on the dais to graciously join the lamp lighting ceremony.
Om Shri Guru Basavalingaya Namaha. Om Shri Guru Basavalingaya Namaha. Om Shri Guru Basavalingaya Namaha. Om Shri Guru Kumaraswami Namaha. Om Shri Shivakumara Guruve Namaha. Om Shri Shivakumara